Today is a good day. It's Sunday and I'm going to change tires on the daily. Let's see back there. Put on some summer tires because it's that time of the year now. So we're gonna put on the summer tires and rims, of course. Wheels, I don't know what you call it, but yeah. And then after that, me and my brother, we're going to try to put on the big brakes. Suddenly, there's a ton of cars here.
What?
What? So which car should we change brakes on?
The Caddy?
Sure.
No, I think the Golf.
The Golf.
Yep, Golf.
Let's race. Right now there's a rally in the town we live in, and there's a lot of cars going broom broom. Over here, where all the roads, the back roads are, they're and the roads are closed off, and all of our other car friends are there looking at the rally and observing all the fast cars, and we are not interested. That is totally uninteresting. We're going to change brakes on the Golf instead because race car. So yeah, let's film that process with the huge ass brakes, and we'll see how interesting that is. Hello, gentlemen.
Hello. Why are you so close to me?
Because you fill the whole frame. So I'm interviewing you.
Yeah, now it's good.
Should we start with changing brakes before we get the fluid, or should we do a road trip to my house and pick up the brake fluid?
I don't know.
Yeah, okay. And your pants are clean?
Yes.
Yes. Whoa!
Yeah. Now we're going to see if we can fit the big brake kit on the Golf. Now that we got better wheels on that can fit them. So yeah, and the point of them were to be able to register the Golf as legal, as I've said in previous videos. Because I need it because of all the horsepower that I have in the car. I need to have stopping power as well. So big brake kit is needed to get it legal, basically. So yeah, we're going to remove the wheels and remove the old brakes and see if we can fit the new ones.
Man, I might need to do a big brake kit on mine as well.
Of course, dude. It even has your car, man.
Yeah?
How often do you see your cars
I have
in
never seen
aftermarket parts?
Never, ever. Man. So I'm reading the big brake kit tube papers. We had some questions if these wheels were actually going to work. Now we know they're going to work, but if you just read the fucking manual, you would see that those are the wheels they have as the example wheels.
I didn't know. Damn.
Well,
I just ordered them and I had to get new wheels, which I don't really mind.
no.
Actually.
Well, if someone in
Yeah.
south of Sweden wants some new wheels,
Yeah, some fake BBS 885s. They are now for sale. Let's see if we can remove the old brakes and get the new brakes on. I'm very excited. Very nice. Ah, the Harmony brake wear indicator.
brake wear indicator.
Brake wear indicator.
It's worn.
Unplugged.
It's unplugged. Okay, I just accidentally didn't press record, and we said these are the OEM big brakes on the engines, the cars with 180 horsepower from the factory.
Yeah.
Which are like OEM big brake kits, and it's the same caliper, just bigger discs and bigger caliper holders.
Yeah, another bracket to fit the
just
same
push out
caliper.
the caliper.
Yeah, exactly.
Which is it's a big brake kit, but it's not enough for the amount of horsepower this car is going to have.
No, or has.
For registration, yes,
Yeah.
it has. So that's why we're going with these huge things, which is sort of a win-win, because who doesn't want big brakes? It's a good reason to get big brakes.
Exactly.
And like it's a legitimate upgrade, and it's fun to have big brakes, but you also like need it to get it registered.
So now I got rid of everything unnecessary except for the brake caliper. I'm gonna remove that later when we're ready to put on the new one, so we don't make a total mess down there. Got rid of the old, or what's left of the old brake, what's it called? The brake shield? Yeah, the brake shield. And cleared everything up pretty well. So now we're going to put on the new adapter to the caliper and then put on the disc.
Så var det inte jag som la den där. Men du kanske har la den på samma ställe som jag har lagt.
I got the caliper bracket mounted, and now we're ready for the brakes. And they're big. My man. Nice. Fast.
Säker?
Ja, jag är helt hundra på det.
Den ser lite liten ut.
Jag är fan mekanik. Wow. Mint. Now I have a slightly bigger brake.
Whoa. Now you can't see it. It's gone.
Alright, so we are now going to test mount this and make sure that it fits good between the disc. So it has to be a certain distance from the disc, as well as it has to be in line with the disc this way as well. So we're going to have to test mount and check that it fits properly, and if it doesn't, we have to shim it so that it fits good, basically.
Det ser ju fett ut alltså. Nu måste du polera bilen så den blir lika blankröd.
Okay, so now we have to check. It actually looks like the distance is pretty good here because the disc clears. But I'm gonna have to measure, and then we have to see this distance as well. Had to be a certain millimeter away from the disc. So I'm going to measure, and then we're going to see how it turns out. Here you can see the installation manual, at least on the Golf, but it's probably basically the same on all models that you get. You have to make sure that, as I said, the caliper is centered to the disc. So we have test mounted it, and we have measured here. So the distance between the caliper and the brake there, and the caliper and the brake to there. They have to be the same. Then it's a happy face.
Yes.
If it's not, it's a angry face. So that's good. And we haven't shimmed anything, so that's even better, I think. I also measured from the disc to the inside of the caliper. It has to be above.
Like this distance here.
Yeah, up here I can measure, so that the caliper isn't too close to the disc. Maybe it would rub or something. But it also seems to be completely fine, which is nice. So we can tighten everything down and put on the pads, I think. Yeah.
Brake tension plate.
Nice.
You guess?
I guess.
Bam.
Bam. And then we want this one. Oh, okay.
Like we say in Sweden, Som handen i handsken.
Like the hand in the glove.
Like the hand in the glove.
Like the hand in the glove. Or is it supposed to sit in the other way? Oh yeah, I'm stupid.
Yeah, it's
supposed to be pressure on the other way. What the hell?
The pinch. It's falling out over here.
Oh.
Up there.
God damn it!
Might be a reason they show you doing this when the caliper is off the car.
Maybe.
The tab.
Yeah, I
up
know.
there.
It's not even close to. There we go.
Give it a smack.
Nice.
And the disc, the pads aren't stiff. They are touching what I can feel.
Nice.
Right. All right. So we got the what do you pressure equalization maybe?
Yes.
Yeah, but it vad fan vill du?
Shit, dude. Yeah, so I got the pipes mounted and the bleeding points. So now we're ready to.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Now we're ready to put on the brake line, basically. So the question is if we should do that now.
Why not? What's stopping us?
No.
What's that on the back? That brake line. Okay, that's where
That's
you put on the brake line. Yep.
brake line input, basically.
Brake input.
Brake input.
Okay.
There we go.
What's that? Boom.
So it's supposed to sit like this, I think.
You want some cloth?
Yeah, maybe.
I can go get a cloth for you. Okay, you will get two.
Thank you. I got some brake fluid on my phone. I don't know if that's good or bad, but... Hello!
What? Oh no, not the meek oil, yeah.
Okay. Are you filming me yet? Does my face look good?
Nope.
My
never.
hair? No? Okay. So we got the brakes on now. Both on the left side and on the right side. So we're now going to try to bleed it and see if we have any brake fluid left, because I spilled quite a bit.
Yep. But we got new, so it's fine.
Yeah, so let's see if we can bleed the brakes.
Yep.
Is that one?
Var? Där!
Yes. I can't see shit.
Det är så jävla skit om de locken alltså.
So we bled the brakes now, and Felix says it's very nice. So I believe him when he says that.
Don't.
We're gonna put on the wheels now.
And it's now that it doesn't work.
God damn it, it doesn't fit.
God damn it.
Yeah. These are thicker though, aren't they? For the luggage. Oh, it's in my pocket, where I put it. Very nice.
Prison pocket.
Maybe.
What did this take? 3-4 hours maybe?
You said it took 2.5 hours to do the left side.
Yeah.
I don't know, 4 or 5 hours maybe.
Fast.
Fast. Oh, it's a mess! God damn!
Det är så typiskt dig att dyka upp när det är färdigt.
Jag var med i början.
Ja, du var med i början. Vad fan har du gjort? What? Screw you. Screw you. Ja, just det. På med nipplar. Ja, precis.
Nej, jag vägrar. Fuck you. Tyst. Tyst. Du har inte stopp på bilen, håller rakt in i Evon, skrotar båda.
Does it look nice?
Yeah, it looks nice. Did it feel nice? Do you feel pedal pressure or anything?
Yeah, pretty soft, but I don't know.
Yeah. Might need to...
I need to break them in.
Yeah.
Va? Damn boy!
Damn, he's thick.
He's thick!
That's a thick ass boy. Nah.
Nah.
Momo.
Mim.
Så kan vi sätta upp dessa också
Mimo,
nu.
mimo.
Nice. We got the cars in again. Got everything cleaned. You think it's good, Hugo?
Oh yes.
Very nice, very nice. Felix took some videos of everything and it looked pretty good. But yeah, we bled everything and it turned out nice. I still have to do some like braking periods and stuff. Anything you want to say? Do you recommend doing a big brake kit?
I don't know yet.
We have to see.
Well,
Yeah.
it depends. In this case, you have to. So
yeah, that's true.
yeah,
That's true.
But I don't know how much of an actual upgrade it is for normal street use compared to the ones you already had. But
Yeah.
just visually, I think it's worth it. If you have the money, don't
Yeah.
spend like.
Yeah. For now, it's worth it. It looks
Yeah.
very nice, very nice.
Yes.
But don't forget to measure your rims before,
Yeah.
so you don't have to buy new wheels.
Hey.